Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. We're going to keep talking about the ACH participants. In fact, this is our final video. We've had a video on the ACH operator, a video on the ACH originator, and a video on the ACH ODFI. Well, in today's video, we're going to discuss the RDFI and the receiver. The RDFI and the receiver both at once payment, Professor? Yes, we're going to get them both covered today. Why? Because it's really easy to cover them. What is the RDFI? The RDFI is the Receiving Depository Financial Institution. What does the RDFI do? Well, the RDFI receives files from the ACH operator on behalf of their receivers. Well, wait. The RDFI, Receiving Depository Financial Institution, receives entries on behalf of their receivers. Let's jump to the receivers real quick. Who are receivers? Receivers are going to be you and me, but they could also be businesses. Receivers are the ones that are actually receiving the payment instructions. Receivers receive the payment instructions, and those payment instructions are what tell the RDFI to do to the account. What do I mean to do to the account? Well, first off, receiver doesn't mean you're receiving money. Now, that's a misnomer out there. Receiver does not mean you're receiving money. Receiver means you're receiving payment instructions. So the RDFI is receiving payment instructions from the ACH operator who sent them on behalf of the ODFI, who sent them on behalf of the originator. And those payment instructions will instruct the RDFI to either debit or credit the receiver's account. So what's the RDFI doing? The RDFI is where the receiver has an account, and the RDFI is going to follow those payment instructions to either debit or credit the receiver's account. So in a nutshell, those are our participants. If you watched all the videos, you now know the ACH originator, the ACH ODFI, the ACH operator, the RDFI, Receiving Depository Financial Institution, and the receiver. If you got any comments, got any questions, please put them down below. I'd love to hear from you. If there's anything you'd like to see in future videos, any other series, let me know. Be glad to make them for you. Thank you and have a great day.